see if we get it running today. Okay, update. Got both lights up there, wired in. They work. The backlight works too, but because I tinted it, you can only see it at night, which is what I wanted. This rack painted black. Gonna do another layer or two of that. Going to reupholster the seat. Just painted the fuel tank. Got done that. Painted this up a little green. I think it's coming along pretty nicely. Next thing I'm going to paint is my belt and clutch cover. I'm going to paint it green to match this. And once that's done, I will show driving it around, make some videos of it working. It's running pretty good, so I think you'll enjoy that. Only other thing it needs this weekend to finish is, yeah, the seat, and this throttle doesn't quite open it up to full throttle right now. Try to take the throttle off of that 200 that's wrecked, the Honda one, swap it onto this. But yeah, this project's come along pretty good. I had to do some stitching on the plastics. This is actually fiberglass. Here's the commuter badge. I might put something else on there. But for anyone asking what this is a 1978 Kawasaki 340cc. It's actually 341cc Sasquatch trike. And these were not meant for racing. These were meant for just hauling stuff around your acreage or farm. It's slow but fun. It's not the fastest trike out there, but it's just a fun, cool piece of history, I think. Your hitch for towing stuff, I'm gonna put a ball in there. The exhaust is all intact. The exhaust is kind of cool because it has this spark arrestor on it right here at the end, but it's all intact, and I'm gonna keep it that way on this one. See, for me, when I wired up the lights, the wire to the rear lights and all that connection up there was actually all intact. So all I had to do was just add another wire to it to add it to the positive side of the switch here. That was really easy. Again, I think the up and down dual lights looks pretty cool, in my opinion. Love it or hate it, I don't care. I really like it.